For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting an alcohol business is both exciting and complex. From licensing and branding to marketing and sales, launching such a venture involves careful planning and strategic execution. With the rise of free AI tools, aspiring entrepreneurs can now dramatically reduce startup costs and improve decision-making. In this guide, you'll learn how to start an alcohol business step by step, using free AI to make the process faster, smarter, and more affordable. Step 1. Define your alcohol business concept. The first step is deciding what type of alcohol business you want to launch. Are you producing your own craft beer, whiskey, wine, or ready-to-drink cocktails? Or are you starting a private label brand by partnering with an existing distillery? AI tools like ChatGPT can help refine your concept based on market trends, demographics, and cost efficiency. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Help me brainstorm unique alcohol business ideas. I'm interested in creating a niche product that appeals to millennials and can stand out in a competitive market. You can follow up with variations like, what are low-barrier entry alcohol businesses that don't require owning a distillery? Or, what trends are emerging in the alcohol industry in 2025? Step 2. Conduct market research. Understanding your competition and target audience is essential. Use free AI tools like Google Trends to explore keyword popularity for specific drink types and flavors. You can also use Perplexity.ai to ask research-based questions and compile competitive intelligence. Prompt to use with ChatGPT. Give me a detailed competitive analysis of small-batch vodka brands in the U.S., including pricing, branding, and distribution. Prompt to use with Perplexity. What are current consumer preferences in alcoholic beverages, and what are the fastest-growing subcategories? Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan outlines your goals, products, market positioning, financials, and go-to-market strategy. ChatGPT can help you create a custom business plan template and even write the full draft based on your answers to a few key questions. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Create a complete business plan for a startup alcohol brand that sells flavored rum using a white label distillery. Include executive summary, product details, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Free AI-powered templates can also be generated using Notion AI for business plan organization or with Canva's AI writing assistant for layout and formatting. Step 4. Check regulations and licensing. Before you go any further, check with your local and federal alcohol regulatory bodies. In the U.S., that's the TTB, Alcohol and Tobacco Tax and Trade Bureau. You will likely need a federal permit, a state license, and possibly municipal approval. You can use ChatGPT to create a checklist of legal requirements. Prompt. List all the licenses and permits needed to start a spirits brand in your state, including steps to register with the TTB. Also try, what are common mistakes first-time alcohol entrepreneurs make when applying for licenses? Step 5. Develop your branding and packaging. Your brand identity should reflect the flavor and story behind your product. Free AI design tools like Canva's Magic Design or Microsoft Designer can generate logos, labels, and bottle mockups. You can use ChatGPT or Ideogram.ai for slogan generation and naming ideas. Try this ChatGPT prompt. Suggest 10 edgy and memorable brand names for a canned tequila cocktail brand, with a short story for each. Then use generate label text and legal disclaimers for a canned cocktail product compliant with U.S. labeling laws. Use Canva's AI to visualize the final packaging design. You can upload product dimensions and prompt it to fit your layout and branding style. Step 6. Choose a manufacturing and bottling partner. If you're not making the alcohol yourself, find a white label or contract manufacturer. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create outreach templates and due diligence checklists when researching vendors. Prompt. Write an introductory email to a potential alcohol bottling partner. Include questions about MOQs, pricing, packaging options, and timelines. You can also ask, what are red flags when evaluating alcohol manufacturing partners for white label production? Use Perplexity or Google Bard to search for lists of licensed co-packers and distilleries offering private label services in your region. Step 7. Build your online presence. AI can speed up your website development and content creation. You can use Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, or Shopify's AI assistant to launch your site quickly. ChatGPT can generate SEO-optimized web content, blog articles, and product descriptions. Try this prompt for ChatGPT. Write the homepage copy for a premium Can Mojito brand, focusing on freshness, flavor, and a social lifestyle appeal. You can also ask, generate 5 blog post titles and summaries for an alcohol brand targeting young professionals. Use Pictory AI or Lumen 5 to create marketing videos from your text content, and Canva to design social media content with automated brand templates. Step 8. Create a marketing strategy. Marketing an alcohol brand requires a mix of digital content, influencer outreach, and strategic distribution. Use ChatGPT to draft your full marketing plan and feed it with data from your earlier research. Prompt. Create a full 6-month marketing plan for launching a new rose wine brand online and in select bars. Include influencer strategy, SEO, email campaigns, and in-store promotions. For ad copy, write 3 short and catchy Facebook ads for a premium gin brand targeted at cocktail lovers aged 25 to 40. Free tools like Buffer for scheduling, Later for Instagram strategy, and MailChimp, free tier for email marketing, can streamline your promotion efforts. Conclusion. Starting an alcohol business no longer requires a massive upfront investment or a large team. With the right planning and the use of free AI tools, you can handle everything from product development to branding, marketing, and scaling with impressive speed and precision. By following the steps above and using AI tools like ChatGPT for content and planning, Canva for design, Perplexity for research, and Shopify or Wix for e-commerce, you can turn your idea into a legally compliant, professionally branded alcohol brand that's ready to compete in today's market. Keep learning, stay compliant, and always adapt based on what your market tells you. The smarter you use AI, the smoother your path to success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.